Hi, in this video we will talk about a new script I created. Um, as you know, if you want to detach some polygons from an object, an editable poly for example, you can select few polygons and use the detach feature. But what this does, it will create one object containing all the selected polygons. But let's say I want each of the selected polygons as individual objects. Here I have um, 6 selected polygons, and I want to make 6 individual objects. Each object is one of these polygons. So the problem is that if you select lots of polygons, to go through each one of them and detach it separately, it will take lots of time. So this script will help you batch detach as much polygons as you want. For example, if I select all of these polygons, I will click the script. Now I will right click and hide the original object, and here, as you can see, each polygon now is a single object. Now the original selected polygons are not deleted. The script will create a copy from these polygons. It's the same feature like in this button where it asks you if you want to detach as clone, but here I'm doing it for a large amount of polygons, and the name of each polygon is derived from the parent object. It starts with the parent object's name, then dash, then the word face, then the number of the face. Here this face is the 235th, this one 168, this one is the number 40, etc. The script works on editable poly objects, on editable mesh objects like this one here, sorry. Also, it works on objects that have edit mesh modifiers, or objects that have edit poly modifiers. And we will test all of these. Now I will delete those, unhide all. Now we already tested this. Now I'm gonna test the editable mesh. I will select a few polygons. Let's say these and these. Hide, and here it is. And as you can see, the name is derived from the parent object. I will delete all these objects, unhide. Now I will test it with objects with primitives who have modifiers on them, like edit mesh or edit poly. I will start with this one. It has an edit mesh modifier. I will choose a few polygons. Of of course I can select all of them and have them all. I will start with a selection first, hide, and that's it. Delete, unhide all. Let's try to select all the polygons. Of course I can use the element, it's the same. Hide, and now okay, delete, unhide all. Let's try with this one. It has an edit poly modifier, polygon, detach, hide, delete. Now be careful of one thing, that when you go to polygon and select, when you click the first time you will have uh, instances of these selected polygons as individual objects, like we already said, but be careful not to keep clicking, because you will have more instances, so you need to deselect the polygons. So or you just have to be careful not to just keep clicking, because I will show you what I mean now. First time I will click. If I click a second time, at the third time, so so you have to be careful. I will now hide, and as you can see here, I have many. I have 3 copies from the selected polygons. What you have to do, I will do it again. I have now those selected. I click the first time, automatically the script takes you back to the object level, but if I click polygon again, they are still selected, so you have to click outside if you want to deselect. This way, if you click again, you will not have multiple instances. I will hide, sorry, and as you can see, I have only 1 copy. Now some of you might ask, for example, this one here, the editable mesh, maybe you want to select the triangles. Well, first you can go to the edge sub-object level, select all the edges. As you can see, these dashed lines are the hidden edges, so click here on visible. Now they become visible. If you right click and convert to editable poly, now the polygons in the editable poly are made of triangles, so you can select these polygons and detach, hide selected. Now as you can see, and basically that's it. And if you wanna learn how to install a macro script, in the same playlist there is a video that teaches you how to install a macro script and how to create a button for it. And after installing the script in the customize, if you want to create a toolbar for it, you can go to toolbar, new, in the category. After installing the script, you will find it under the category Miri tools. It's called Batch Detach. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and see you next time.